Hello, this is a video about my malfunctioning RG406H, which was a replacement for my RG406V. When we get about 56% power, this thing will shut off, even though it's displaying that it has 56% power. The only time it will turn on is if I plug it into a power supply. It just shut off a couple of seconds ago. I plugged it in. Hopefully I can get this thing to start, but the system will shut down. Let's see if we can get it to start. Okay, it looks like it's starting. We'll get to, usually we can get to the screen, the menu screen. And it just died. So you just saw it, the screen died, and you can push the power button. I don't know if you were reading the power percentage, but it was at, I think it was at 54%. I'll do an additional video showing the power percentage, but the thing has over half charge, well, maybe a little under half charge, and it's just shutting off. The other issue I have is on my 406V, the joystick failed. I don't know if you can see in the video, there's absolutely no resistance with this joystick. I removed it from the console because it was interfering with gameplay. A lot of times this joystick is used for camera angles, and when it has no resistance and it's just flopping around, my video would change, like in the game, like the video, like the point of direction would change mid-game, and it became such a problem I just pulled it out. This is for a separate console. The RG406H has its own issue with the power. And again, I'll plug it in because that's the only way I can get this thing to start. I'm holding down the button. It's not even starting. But I'm going to go in the house, put it on the plug, and you can see what percentage I'm at.